Hey guys, it's April. A lot of people have been asking how the 20-ounce cup box goes together because it does look a little confusing, so I thought I'd shoot a quick video showing you guys how. This is the lid piece, and you're just going to fold everything away from you. I am using craft board from Cricut on this. And I'll go ahead and fold those tabs as well. And I apologize for the bright reflection on this white cardstock, but I thought I would do something that would show up at least. I don't know if I can adjust that exposure or not. Let's see. That might be a little bit better and take some of the glare off for you guys so you can see it. But you're just going to fold. I tore that one. Got in a hurry. Got so many things going on today. You're just going to fold the box and glue your tabs to the inside. Unless you just want them on the outside, I glue mine to the inside. I'm just going to quickly glue these. I have another project put together so that I can set up YouTube notifications for you guys for tomorrow's live. We're going to be doing the Halloween shaker slider, and I'm going to show you guys how to use that pop-up font if I can figure it out. So there's your box lid. That's all you do for that, and set that to the side. And then you have these pieces for the base. Again, you're just going to fold everything away from you. Don't fold these side tabs yet. Just fold those long ways, open it up, and then fold your sides up. In this box, it wouldn't fit on 12 by 12 material, so that's why it is like it is. I plan on making one that has a top open instead of the side open like this. I just haven't gotten to it yet. So then you have these two long pieces, and they are scored also. You can go ahead and kind of score those or fold them. I'm not going to fold them completely yet. I'm just going to put a bend in them so that I know where they're at. Just like that. And the reason that this is like this is so that it would fit on a 12 by 12. But if we fold this box up and make it like this and put our tabs in the inside just like we did our lid, the ends are going to be too short. These are your ends. That's all that they are for. We're just extending the paper without having to have, you can go ahead and fold those, it won't hurt. Without having to have the larger paper, because you can't get this heavyweight paper in 12 by 24. If you can, it's probably going to be extremely expensive. So you're just going to glue that tab, and I'm just gluing the center part right now, and then you're just going to line this up, making sure your scores line up, and you want to give it just a teeny bit of space here for folding. Just get it lined up pretty good and give it a rub. Now we've made, I've got a dot of paper there. Now we've made this box fit in height on the ends as well as the sides, and then you can just glue these tabs down also. That just give it a minute to dry before you start folding that, because you don't want that to pop loose. And just do the other side. And it's just easier for me if I flip it over. I don't know why, but I can see it a little bit better. And again, I'm just going to line up those scores and give it a little space. Make sure I've got it straight. Press, and then flip it over and glue these tabs. And then you are going to give it a good fold once it's dry. Turn this around so you guys can see it. Let the other side dry. Give it your good fold and glue these to the inside of the box. Keep your sides square. And it's square on that end right there. Stick that down. And then we're going to glue this side. Now that that's had a minute to set, I'm going to fold those over. I'm just going to glue there. Going to glue here. And I would pay closer attention to the edges than what I'm doing here again. I'm just kind of rushed today. And you're just going to make it square. Now you have your box. I'm going to let that dry. And your lid. And then you have these inserts. And I added this decorative piece to the file. So if you got the file prior, you may want to go back and get it again. But I am just going to glue this little decorative piece right on the top of this so I can still see my score lines. And I'm off just slightly. Take your time and get yours on there good. And that's just so that it is the color of the box inside. Then you have a couple of tabs to fold. And it's like a triangular type fold. And then fold over the back piece. Yeah, I'm off slightly. Just get yours folded right. And then I'm folding on this side and then folding that tab. It's, like I said, at an angle, that tab is. The only place you're going to glue are on those tabs, but before you do that, I think I didn't measure mine. I have to recut this piece here. These are the bottom and the side pieces. I think they're all the same size. I'm going to check really quick. No, the bottom is a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and glue in my bottom decorative piece. And this is just to hide all of the tabs. You don't have to have these if you don't want them. You can get by without them. I kind of like it. I think it makes the inside of the box pretty. You can cut some for the outside if you want. Just measure and put in your tabs. I'm just kind of lining the box. That's all we're doing. Like I said, I just had a scrap here. I didn't actually cut the piece for the lid. I thought that scrap might fit, and it will. I'm just going to have to cut it down. And then you have, of course, your end pieces. Just glue that in. And since I'm off on this end down here, I think that's where I'll put the cup holder. I'm just going to glue, I've got it all folded, and I'm just going to glue these little rounded tabs. And that's so that you have enough play in there for it to support at the back and stay popped up, because you don't want to glue those parts down. It's just going to give it support for your cup. You want to back it up into the back of the box like that, but you don't have to glue it. You only need to glue these two tabs right here. And then you have the pieces that came out of, you can glue those together and punch a hole, use it for a ribbon for a tag. That way you have a nice little sturdy tag. You can just glue it on one side if you want. and have it where it will open up like so. And you can put your little message in there. Just make sure that you score it and bend it back, and then punch your hole. And then you have your tag. And of course you have a piece. I think this is wide enough. I just think it's too long. Let me trim it really quick and show you guys that they will fit if I can find my trimmer. This box really is quick. It does go together pretty quickly. That fits. And I'm just kind of guesstimating here. And I did not do the side ends of the box. I didn't want the box to get so tight that the lid would be too hard to take on and off. That's good enough. It was off a little bit. That's okay. And I think I'll just put a little down the center here. Scooch. And that is all there is to making this box, guys. And then you have your tag as well. If you have any questions or you don't understand any part of the video, please just message me and I will help you put this box together. You guys have a wonderful Labor Day weekend. I'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We will do the Halloween shaker card. We will also look at those pop-up font and see if we can't make that work for us as well.